Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll see how to pass a JavaScript function as a parameter. This concept is key to understanding callbacks, asynchronous code, and event-driven programming. We'll build a simple example to demonstrate how it works. Let's dive right into the code and walk through each part. We write a function that receives another function as a parameter. This is useful when we want to delay execution or use logic. In our example, we pass a greeting function into a student update function. Let's look at the JavaScript code behind it. Here, we define a function called addStudent, which takes a callback as its second argument. When addStudent is called, it executes that callback function. In our case, the callback logs the word hello to the console. It is a clear example of passing functions around like data. We start by writing a function that accepts another function as a parameter. Inside it, you simply call the passed-in function when needed. This allows flexible behavior like callbacks, event handlers, or deferred logic. You can plug in any new logic without changing the original function. We can plug different callback functions into the same main function, whether it's logging to the console, showing an alert, or updating the UI. It works the same way. This modularity is what makes callbacks powerful in JavaScript. You're just swapping behaviors inside a larger process. Passing functions as parameters is everywhere in the real-world JavaScript. It is used in browser events, API response chains, and even component design. Knowing how to build and pass callbacks will help you write more modular, reusable code. Let's wrap up with a summary. We've learned how to pass a function as an argument and call it within another function. This technique is core to asynchronous programming, event handling, and modular design. Try building your own custom callbacks to explore this pattern further. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.